Especially on here today, we're gonna unbox the Minecraft app in Nintendo O Switch. So this is actually my first game, the Lego Movie 2, but now I have my second game is Minecraft. And also gonna teach you how you set up the game. For some people who's new to Nintendo Switch, I'll teach you how to set up. Now this Minecraft app includes Super Mario and Mashup and also more, so more not sure about it. And of course you need Microsoft account if you want to earn achievements, things about it. So of course this is my Nintendo O Switch here. So or you want to move this one onto here, it's simple. So all you have to do, you have to open the box. So this is the cartridge. So what you gotta do, because it's pull to open, so pull gently, take it out. So you got the cartridge for here. So this is the Lego one. I haven't taken it out. So what you gotta do is that you can go here, open it, and you remove the slide, and then simple. So this is the Lego Movie 2. This is the Minecraft. So what I do is just insert it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to insert like this, and yeah, and then that. Set it carefully. There we go. So we have Minecraft. So actually can play, but you need to download the software. Only you can play this game. So yeah, that's for it. Okay, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.